In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free custom Discord avatar decorations. First, open your browser and go to avatardecoration.com. Once the site loads, you'll see a clear Get Started option. Click that to begin. You'll be prompted to upload your base avatar image. Use a PNG, JPG, or GIF file, and make sure it's at least 128 by 128 pixels so the decoration positions and detail look crisp. If your image has a transparent background and you want that preserved, choose PNG. GIFs can be used too, but keep in mind, Discord only animates GIF avatars for Nitro users. After uploading, browse the gallery and pick a decoration that complements your avatar. The site displays many styles, so take a moment to preview several options and imagine how they'll look at small sizes. When you select a design, you'll be able to preview it with your avatar and adjust the positioning so the decoration sits exactly where you want it. Use small, careful movements when you nudge the decoration. Subtle shifts can make a big difference once the image is scaled down in Discord. When you're satisfied with how the decorated avatar looks, click Save to finalize the custom image. The website will generate the combined file. Now, click Download to save that customized image to your device. Give the file a recognizable name and place it somewhere you'll remember, like your desktop or pictures folder. Next, open Discord on desktop or in a browser and go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon near your username. In the Settings menu, select My Account from the left sidebar. Click Edit Profile, then scroll until you see the option to change avatar under your current profile picture. Click Change Avatar and upload the decorated image you just downloaded. After the upload completes, check how the avatar looks in the preview circle. If everything lines up, click Save Changes to apply your new decorated avatar to your account. If it needs fine-tuning, you can return to the decoration website, make small adjustments, and download a new version. A quick tip: keep a copy of your original avatar in case you want to revert. Also remember that very busy or highly detailed decorations may lose clarity at smaller sizes, so simpler designs often read better in Discord's avatar circle. That's it. You now have a free custom decorated avatar ready to use on Discord.